In today's 6-Minute Meal, Alicia Vitarelli gets a crash course in making Korean dumplings called Mandu. This week's recipe comes from Southgate restaurant.
So tell me a little bit about this dish.
Every home in the country, like a Korean, we cook it.
Where do we start?
You should put the pork. This is bok choy. You can just put anything you want to.
No rules.
No rules. Put a little bit of sesame oil, the rice vinegar, a little bit of ginger. Put some salt in there, soy sauce.
Scallions?
Yes, and some sugar. You mix it, get the spoon out there. This is egg yolk, and you put it together.
So seal it up with the egg.
And then you push it like this.
Oh.
That's beautiful.
Oh, it's okay?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so you can have all family sit down together and have fun with it. Especially holiday time.
How do we cook them?
So you can just fry. Cook really fast too, 2-3 minutes.
Oh, they're beautiful. To Mommy's Mandu. You can find that recipe on 6abc.com/meals and dine at Southgate in the next week and tell them you saw this feature on 6ABC and they'll give you a complimentary side of banchan. That's pickled vegetables. Alicia Vitarelli, Channel 6 Action News.